Okay, here are a few Luxaire and Bryant central air conditioning units at a commercial building in Bettendorf. Here are these Luxaire units. Currently not running. This is at the same complex I just filmed with those older carriers and Goodman units in that one Bryant. And this unit I think has a reciprocating compressor, probably a Bristol. It is a 2.5 ton from 2017, pretty sure. And this one I'm just gonna assume that one's probably the same thing. And then here are two Bryant units. These ones are Legacy Lines. These look pretty similar to my unit. And the data is mostly worn off, but pretty sure that's probably from the early 2010s, maybe. Not exactly sure. And these have Puron refrigerant. But yeah, these are located at the same complex I just filmed with those other units. The two older carriers and the Goodman units. But yeah, just thought I'd get a quick video of these 4 units. Anyways, thanks for watching.